Throw this into your toilet and your bathroom will smell fresh for hours. Start by preparing a regular bar of soap that foams well and helps freshen the toilet with every flush. Grate it using a coarse grater and place it into a bowl. The next ingredient is toothpaste, which adds an intense fresh scent and helps refresh the entire bathroom. Add a generous amount of toothpaste to the bowl. Then add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, which helps neutralize unpleasant odors and works perfectly in household cleaning tricks. Mix everything thoroughly with your hands until all ingredients combine into a thick, firm mixture. Divide the finished mixture into 2 parts. Now prepare some aluminum foil and also divide it into 2 pieces. Place each ball onto the foil and wrap it carefully. Using a wooden stick, make a few small holes so the scent can slowly release when it comes into contact with water. Now simply place the prepared balls into the toilet tank. Close it and flush the toilet. With every flush, blue water will appear and the whole bathroom will fill with a fresh and pleasant scent. Place a plastic bag over the toilet seat and use a public restroom without worries. If you're unsure about hygiene, a simple disposable bag is all you need. This trick has saved me many times in uncomfortable situations, especially while traveling. I always keep a plastic bag in my purse, but before storing it, I prepare it properly. Take a bag and fold it in half. Using scissors, cut a semicircle, leaving the sides intact so it fits securely over the seat. This creates an opening, making it perfect for restroom use. I roll it up and keep it in my bag, ready for whenever I need it. If I have to use a poorly maintained public toilet, I simply unfold the bag and place it over the seat. The plastic layer effectively separates me from bacteria and dirt. After use, I just remove it and throw it away. It's a great solution for people with back problems or parents with young children who need to sit on public toilets. A homemade way to clean your shower that removes limescale like an expensive store-bought cleaner. I've been using it for over 30 years. Start with dish soap, something everyone has at home. It easily breaks down grease, grime, and soap residue. Measure about 10 fluid ounces of dish soap and pour it into a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste. It contains gentle but effective microabrasives that help remove buildup and add shine. Next, pour in about 14 fluid ounces of vinegar. Vinegar works as a natural descaler, dissolving limescale, removing streaks, and restoring a smooth finish. To dilute the mixture, add 1 cup of water. Another key ingredient is baking soda. It boosts the cleaning power and helps tackle even stubborn dirt. Pour the mixture onto the shower tray and tiles, scrub thoroughly with a broom to reach every corner, then remove the excess liquid and dry the surfaces. The result is a sparkling clean shower with limescale gone, just like after using an expensive product. This mixture also works well for cleaning the toilet. Simple and effective. Mix dish soap with toothpaste and pour it into the toilet. You'll get rid of dirt and unpleasant odor. It's a trick to remove exceptionally unpleasant stains in the bathroom. With this homemade method, you'll eliminate all the mess and odor. Sometimes various food remnants are poured into the toilet, which cannot be thrown into the trash bag. Sometimes the toilet gets dirty when you have food poisoning. It doesn't look good then. The smell can also be unpleasant. That's when homemade liquid comes to the rescue. It will clean the toilet, and above all, leave a pleasant smell immediately. You can also clean the sink or a dirty shower with it. They will be clean, shiny, and will smell nice. Pour a small cup of floor cleaner into the dish. Most of these liquids can also be used for cleaning other surfaces. Add a cup of baking soda to it. Baking soda cleans and absorbs bad odors. Pour a cup of dishwashing liquid. It removes many stains, including greasy ones. It foams perfectly. Also, add a tablespoon of toothpaste. It disinfects and smells intensely and pleasantly. Finally, pour a cup of plain water. Mix everything together. You can clean the bathroom with this liquid. Just pour it into the toilet and clean it as usual. It will remove even greasy dirt. The unpleasant smell will disappear immediately. After flushing with water, it will be like new. You can also use this liquid to clean an exceptionally dirty sink. The stains will disappear, and it will be shiny, white, and fragrant. You can also clean tiles and grout under the shower in the same way. There is always the most dirt in the corner by the drain. You will easily remove it. With this amount of liquid, you can clean the entire bathroom. Place this next to the shower, and the cockroach problem in your home will disappear quickly. Professionals won't handle it faster than this homemade method. Start with aluminum foil. Tear off a piece, fold it into a smaller square, and place it in the middle of a bowl. Pull the foil to create a small bowl, which you can use as the base for a trap. Prepare 3 such bowls. Then, add a teaspoon of sugar to each bowl. Sugar works as a lure that will effectively attract cockroaches. Along with it, add baking soda, which not only neutralizes unpleasant odors, but also has repelling properties. Add half a teaspoon of baking soda to each bowl. The final essential ingredient is dishwashing liquid. Its properties make it effective at neutralizing insects and acting as a trap for any unwanted creatures. Add 2 pumps of dish soap to each bowl. Mix everything thoroughly to combine the ingredients well. Now you have effective cockroach traps that will quickly lure them in. Place the traps in areas where cockroaches are most likely to appear, such as under the shower, along the edges of cabinets, or next to the toilet. These are the places where unwanted guests often show up. These ice cubes will help you save a lot of money. Take an ice cube tray, preferably with small rectangular compartments. Fill each compartment halfway with dishwashing liquid in your favorite scent and color. The next important ingredient is baking soda, a natural cleaner that neutralizes odors. Add half a small teaspoon to each compartment. Then choose a different dishwashing liquid and add a few drops of a different color and scent to give the cubes a unique fragrance. Mix each compartment well. Now you'll also need toothpaste and toothpicks. Use a toothpick to apply a small amount of toothpaste to each rectangle. Place the cubes in the freezer and store them until needed. Once frozen, remove them from the tray and place them in the toilet tank. These cubes help maintain cleanliness and freshness in the toilet, neutralizing odors and removing dirt. With ingredients like baking soda and toothpaste, your toilet will be more hygienic and smell great. Stick it onto your bathroom tiles. You'll never see limescale on them again, and the mold and the grout, gone. All without using harsh chemicals. This trick completely changed my bathroom cleaning routine. All you need to do is spray the tiles. The rest is done by a special kind of paper. Just press it onto the tiles and leave it for a few minutes. To prepare it, you only need a few ingredients that you definitely have at home. You'll never waste money on expensive cleaners again. Grab a spray bottle. Take one of these little packets. It's citric acid. Pour the entire packet of citric acid into the bottle. Add water. Close the bottle and give it a good shake. The citric acid needs to dissolve completely. Spray the mixture generously all over the tiles where the problem is. Stick toilet paper onto the tiles, on the wall by the shower, or lower down above the shower tray. Because you sprayed the tiles first, the paper will stick easily. For even better results, spray the paper too. Make sure it's fully soaked. After 20 to 30 minutes, peel the paper off the tiles. It will come off effortlessly. Rinse the tiles thoroughly. Just look at the result. They shine beautifully. With no trace of limescale, citric acid dissolves it perfectly. And on top of that, it smells fresh. A simple trick for a clean bathroom. Wash your bathroom walls this way, and the tiles will shine for a long time. It only takes a moment, and your bathroom will sparkle. You wouldn't believe what builds up on the tiles in your bathroom. With this trick, you'll easily remove all the dust from the tiles. Plus, it will prevent more dirt from settling. This trick adds shine to the cleaned surfaces. All you need are Swiffer cloths and a mop. Attach a cloth to the mop and start wiping down all the walls in the bathroom, even those high up near the ceiling that are usually hard to reach. After a moment, look at the mop. You couldn't see it with the naked eye on the wall. Once you've wiped down all the walls, take a second cloth and wipe them all again. Now they will stay clean for a long time. I repeat this process once a month, and I highly recommend you start doing the same. All you need is a Swiffer.